Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to brighten eyes in Photoshop. First of all, I'm unlocking this layer and making a duplicate of this layer. Now I'm selecting the first layer and I'm clicking here and clicking on curves. And from this scale, I'm increasing the brightness of this photo. Okay. Now I'm clicking on Ctrl I. Now I'm selecting brush tool. Opacity and flow will be 100%. Now I'm zooming in this photo. Make sure foreground color is white. Now I'm simply brushing in these eyes. And here you can see before and after result. And also you can increase or decrease the brighten using opacity. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.